everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you a step-by-step process on how to install and set up QR code generator action automation for workflows in your agency view. Once you're in your agency view, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you check who can install. It should be the agency person that is going to install the app. Then you click on Install. You choose the account where you want to install in. Then you click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. Page with the custom menu link is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link. Head back to your agency view. Go to Settings. Click on Custom Menu Links and you create a new custom menu link. Give an icon. Give a title. You paste the custom menu link here. We want it to appear only at the sub-account sidebar. We untoggle the agency sidebar. We choose the account where we want it to appear in. The visibility here will be for all. And we click on Save. When you are done creating the custom menu link, switch back to the account where you added the custom menu link. Look for the custom menu link, click on it, and the first interface is going to pop up. You're going to search for the app and you click on Connect. Here the app has been connected, no worries. We're going to show you how to connect the app. We click on Manage. You have the second interface where we'll have access to the documentation link. We have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We have here the app setup. Here the app has been connected and set up as I earlier mentioned, but let's walk you through on how to do that. You click on the Start Setup and you insert your email. Then you click on Complete Setup. Your app will become completely connected and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our support team and book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will see all the necessary updates and some changes made on the app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There we go. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember, our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thanks so much for watching.